So the area we're looking at right now is 12.11s, 12.10s to 12.15s. That 5 cent zone, that's the area we're looking at. Every time it goes up to that point, there's sellers come in and push it down a bit. But as long as it's staying close to 12 and start trading here, eventually it's gonna break out. And when it does, we have to be ready for it. Now the long trade on this one for me will be void if it does come back all the way to 11.20s. If it does break that, then I'll stop looking for longs on this for a while. So that's the plan with ALF, guys. Right. Yeah, day trading can be, to be honest, swing trading is easier. I would say much easier compared to day trading. I do actually well. I do well with swing trading, but it's not long-term swing trades. It's more like a week or 2 weeks, maximum 1 month. But day trading is it tests you a lot. Like psychologically, it tests you a big time. When you're winning, it's a big test. When you're losing, it's a big test. So it's never a win-win. But obviously, there's always good sides to bad as well. Obviously, day trading is a passion. I mean, it's been years, if not decades, I've been in this business, and yeah, it's just I can't have it any other way. Maybe I'm used to this whole. There it goes, ALF, guys. ALF. Okay, let me try this. 12, 14, okay, 12.15. I mean, 12.15. Let me just write it down. Alright, guys. I managed to get 12.15s. I don't know what you got, but 12.15s. My stop is 11.60s. 11.60s. So my stop right here, 11.60s. Alright, guys. 12.15s. I'm gonna quickly take a partial if I can. So I'm gonna move my stop up to 11.70s. Just do that here. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. 11.50 is gonna be a speed bump. The way it's moving, guys, is it seems like it wants to go. Right, I'm looking at the level 2 tape reading, paying a close attention to this. Come on, 12.50s. $12.50s, come on. Break. Yep. There it goes. No, don't reclaim it. Stay above 50. Okay. Alright, guys, I'm gonna take some out here, guys. Just some, like 30%. I'm gonna take some out. I'm gonna take some out. 70% left. With the stop, I'm gonna be a bit tight on the stop. 11.90s area, guys. 11.90s. Somewhere there, guys. If you can leave it 11.80s, but 11.90s for me, guys. Scott, on this 1,000. That's the good thing about if you have like multiple, like the I mean, it's good to have 300-400 shares minimum, because I like to scale out of a trade, and it makes the trade very easy, less hassle. If you were to do one in one out, it's a bit, because you'll never be happy with one in one out. Even if you hit the top and bottom, I found myself to be always struggling with one in one out. So I found, like, if I take out along the way, um, few partials and let the last one run, I feel that's way more comfortable for me. I feel like, once I get my first partial, now I'm comfortable. I don't care what this does. I mean, obviously I care, but I'm not going to be affected by it that much, because my stop is just below my entry, and I've already taken enough on it so that I'm not going to lose on it. So if it does, like right now, it's quite a bit of price action there. It might wick me out on 1190, but even if it does, because my partial was way bigger than my stop, there it goes. There it goes. Right. Okay. Yeah, so I'll be okay with it. Scott, how did you find my channel? Because it's quite new. I've only got like 2-3 days of videos, I think, streams. Ha, TRCH. Actually, you know what? I've been trading TRCH for the last 3 days. Yeah, if you look back in my videos, yeah, you'll see TRCH will always be there. It's just we chase momentum, Scott. Something that will have a lot of volume, a lot of people will be trading it, so you don't have to worry about getting filled or not. And also it has to be something that's in play, basically. So TRCH is, as you can see on the daily chart, let me show you. And I'm sure you like to see that, obviously, because of your swing trades. Where's TRCH? Let me just put that. I mean, you can see, right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days back-to-back play on this, and it's still there. Tomorrow will be play on it. So this probably be one of my main watches tomorrow. Next few days. So is ALF. Quite clearly, very, very similar chart. Can you see the daily? Very similar. I don't usually trade up until this point. I usually finish first hour, but things are happening. As long as things are moving, I'll stay. What's SPY doing? Wow. It looks wow, but it's not actually. It's a slow grind up. SPY. Mostly Istanbul, Scott. Adana, huh? Adana is famous for its specific kebab roll. I'm sure you know. In fact, in Istanbul, there's a lot of restaurants specifically named Adana kebab. You know. Alright, we might be going for another round on ALF, guys. ALF's hopefully giving us 13 soon. I'll take some out on 13 as well, guys. Just before 13. When I say 13, it's always 5 cents before. Did I get it? Come on, 90s. Yeah, 95s. That's good. It's breaking 13 nicely. Okay, this is looking good. Right, we're okay, guys. So what we want to do on this, we're gonna move our stops to 12.31. This is what I do. This is what I'm gonna do, guys. All right, 13.31, 12.31, 12.31. Yep. I'm taking some out, guys. There's quite a bit of parabolic coming in. 1340s. Yep, I'm taking some out. I've got like 20% left, guys. 200 shares. Yep, 200 shares left. Yeah, now it's moving. Now we see the volume. This is what we wanted to see earlier, but yeah, as long as this volume stays consistent, we're good to go. Just hold it, guys. If you have like 30%, 40, I have 20% left. I'm gonna hold it until it takes my stop out.